Looking to upgrade your bicycle with more power, better climbing ability, and a smoother riding experience? A quality mid-drive motor can completely transform your e-bike, delivering efficient power directly through the drivetrain for improved torque and performance. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mid-drive motors of 2026. We researched product specifications, buyer feedback, and overall value to create this list. Check the links in the description for the latest prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech and e-bike reviews. Number 5. Tongsheng TSDZ8/TSDZ2B/TSDZ16 Mid-Drive Motor Kit. The Tongsheng TSDZ series offers versatile mid-drive motor kits ranging from 250 watts to 1,000 watts, making them suitable for everything from daily commuting to demanding off-road rides. Its built-in torque sensor delivers smooth and natural pedal assistance by adjusting power based on your pedaling effort. Compatible with multiple bottom bracket sizes, these kits are easy to install on many bicycle frames. With efficient performance, quiet operation, and reliable hill climbing power, the TSDZ lineup is an excellent choice for riders seeking a responsive e-bike conversion. Number 4. Bafang BBSHD BBS01 BBS02B Mid-Drive Motor Kit. The Bafang BBS series is one of the most trusted mid-drive conversion systems available, offering power options from 250 watts up to a massive 1,000 watts. Designed for both 36-volt and 48-volt battery systems, these motors deliver outstanding acceleration, climbing performance, and long-distance efficiency. The complete conversion kit includes the essential installation components, making upgrades straightforward. Whether you're commuting, trail riding, or carrying heavy loads, the Bafang BBS lineup provides dependable performance with proven durability. Number 3. Tongsheng TSDZ2B High-Speed Torque Sensor Mid-Drive Motor. The Tongsheng TSDZ2B is built for riders who value smooth, responsive pedal assistance and efficient power delivery. Available for multiple bottom bracket widths, including 68mm, 100mm, and 120mm, it fits a wide variety of bicycles. Its advanced torque sensor creates a natural riding feel by matching motor output to your pedaling effort. Supporting both 36 volts and 48-volt battery systems, this conversion kit delivers excellent climbing ability, quiet operation, and dependable performance for commuting, touring, or recreational cycling. Number 2. Bafang BBS01B/BBS02B Mid-Drive Motor Kit. The Bafang BBS01B and BBS02B motor kits combine efficiency, reliability, and flexible power options ranging from 250 watts to 500 watts. Designed for everyday riders, these mid-drive systems provide smooth pedal assistance, impressive hill climbing capability, and consistent performance across different terrains. Compatible with 36-volt battery systems, they include the necessary hardware for convenient installation. Their compact design, dependable engineering, and excellent energy efficiency make them ideal for transforming standard bicycles into capable electric bikes. Number 1. DJ Motor 72-volt 3,000-watt brushless mid-drive motor kit. Built for riders who demand maximum power and performance, this high-output brushless motor is designed for e-bikes, e-scooters, electric motorcycles, and other custom electric vehicles. Its robust construction delivers strong acceleration, exceptional torque, and reliable operation even under heavy loads. Whether you're building a high-performance project or upgrading an existing electric vehicle, this powerful mid-drive system offers outstanding speed, durability, and versatility. A quality mid-drive motor delivers stronger climbing power, better efficiency, and a more natural riding experience than many hub motors. These 5 motor kits offer excellent options for commuters, trail riders, and custom e-bike builders alike. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.